Oh, you put your hand over it?
So, we've been trapped out here for like 3 days and oh my god, I just heard a sound.
Well, you annoy me.
See that, Melissa? You annoy her.
No. Coffee. Breakfast.
This is Gina's day, so for Mel, she asked me to do this.
Oh, it's my day. Hosted by Shaw's.
We're at Keystone, and Gina's taking a break from work. We're walking through what's normally a tunnel full of snow. I guess the snow is probably usually at least to there.
That's kind of cool. Did you look at the baby? Don't know if they're like vicious if we got any closer. So these things live here.
I just thought they were vacationing here. See the fingers? See the fingers? That's what I get. And last time we were here, instead of having Sky on lessons, I was teaching her. And we were coming down here, and you can see how high up this is off the ground. And she would go right down to there, and then go again.
So she was good enough and we went all the way around. There's the snow tubing. It's much prettier in the winter. It's like dirty snow right now.
What are you doing, weirdo? You're a retard. We've been hiking for 3 days. We don't know where we're at. And we're almost out of water. I don't know how it's lasted us 3 days, but...
You're not doing a proper...
Okay,
this is how you do it.
Oh, you put your hand over it?
So, we've been trapped out here for like 3 days and oh my god, I just heard a sound.
And that's how you do that.
That's how you do that? Okay, you can have, I'll let you have that take. Anyways, this is really cool, and it totally reminds me of Friday the 13th on steroids.
You know what steroids are like?
I mean, I know what steroids are and what they do.
Oh, I just got pined in the eye.
That's what you deserve.
Fountain goes.
Not quite that much fun.
It's 52 miles to Ohio.
Tomorrow.
Stop.